Okay. Right. Can't we just start?
Hi, welcome to Carbridge. Let me show you around.
Just wondered if there was a World Championships of porridge and found the Golden Spurtle.
Can you make a competition out of making porridge?
3 ingredients.
Water, oatmeal and salt.
The perfect bowl of porridge is a marriage of all these 3 things together.
When you whack a kitchen in a suitcase and try and take it to the other side of the world, something probably will go wrong.
The star of the show should always be the porridge itself. Just let the oats sing.
What oats will you be using?
Why would I want to tell you? Other people would get to know.
As mad as a March hair.
You can worry about things or you can just get on and do it.
It would be wrong of me to say that I'm not burning with desire to win.
Shall we start the competition?